Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we bring you the most beautiful and affordable homes across Texas. If you're looking to buy your dream home, relocate, or invest in real estate, you're in the right place. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a home the moment it hits the market. Today we're showcasing an extremely affordable yet modern Texas home that perfectly balances style, comfort, and value. As the video begins, you're greeted with a stunning drone day view that highlights the home's clean architecture, wide driveway, and well-planned surroundings. The exterior design features a classy mix of blue, cream, and gray tones, giving the home a modern look that feels fresh, welcoming, and timeless. As we move closer, the front entrance immediately stands out with its elegant design and inviting presence. Stepping inside, the entryway opens into a bright and airy space filled with natural light. The smooth flow from the entrance into the main living areas makes the home feel open and spacious from the very first step. The living room is designed for both comfort and everyday living. Large windows bring in plenty of daylight, while the neutral cream walls combined with gray furniture and subtle blue accents create a calm and stylish environment. This is the perfect place to relax, entertain guests, or enjoy quality time with family. Seamlessly connected to the living room is the TV lounge, a cozy yet modern space ideal for movie nights, sports, or unwinding after a long day. The media wall design and soft lighting give this area a premium feel without being overdone, making it one of the most comfortable spots in the home. From here, the layout naturally leads into the kitchen, which is both functional and beautiful. The kitchen features cream cabinetry, gray countertops, and tasteful blue accents that tie the whole design together. There's plenty of storage, generous counter space, and a layout that makes cooking easy whether you're preparing daily meals or hosting friends and family. Right next to the kitchen is the dining area, perfectly positioned for convenience and flow. The dining space feels open and inviting, making every meal more enjoyable. Whether it's a quiet family dinner or a special gathering, this area is designed to bring people together. As we continue through the home, you'll find the bedrooms thoughtfully designed for rest and relaxation. The master bedroom offers a peaceful retreat with its blue accent details, cream tones, and soft gray finishes. It's spacious, well lit, and designed to help you unwind at the end of the day. The additional bedrooms are equally comfortable and versatile, perfect for children, guests, or even a home office setup. The bathrooms follow the same modern theme, featuring clean finishes, smart layouts, and a spa-like atmosphere. Gray and cream tones keep the design elegant and timeless, while practical features ensure everyday comfort. This home also includes a spacious garage, providing secure parking and extra storage. There's flexibility here as well, with space that can easily be used as a home gym, giving you the convenience of staying active without leaving your house. Step outside into the backyard, and you'll discover one of the home's standout features. The swimming pool area creates a resort-style experience right at home. The blue water, combined with the cream and gray patio design, makes this space perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or enjoying warm Texas days. A swing seating area adds an extra touch of comfort and charm, making the backyard a true extension of the living space. Homes like this offer incredible value and don't stay on the market for long. At American Dream Mansions, our services are completely free to buyers, and we're here to guide you through every step of the buying process. If you'd like more information about this property or want to explore similar homes across Texas, reach out to us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below to let us know what kind of homes you'd like to see next. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions, where your dream home becomes a reality.